Hey everyone and welcome to Skill Convo, and in this video we're going to talk a bit about native ads. Spoutable is one of the latest ad networks in the business, and it has become really popular in a very short period of time. It's a platform based on exit ad concept. This means that you can generate revenue from your site while the user leaves it. Besides the exit ads, Spoutable also offers an array of advertising formats that can help both publishers and advertisers monetize their web traffic through rich media ads and higher user engagement. Founded in 2014, Spoutable is a CPM-based platform developed for delivering superior web monetization through highly engaging online advertising experiences. It works well both on desktop and mobile devices. The network's approach combines exclusive ad units, media types, and machine learning to produce high-yielding and innovative ad inventory for publishers. There is no pre-mentioned traffic requirement for becoming a publisher on Spoutable. Usually all websites are disapproved or approved within 24 to 48 hours of submission. All you need to have is a good volume of traffic coming in from Tier 1 countries to increase your Spoutable revenue. In order to sign up for the Spoutable Publisher program, you need to first go over to my.spoutable.com. Then click on the Sign Up button on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you've done that, the sign up page will appear and you need to fill up the following steps, starting with the email address that you want to register with, then a password of your choice, and then the confirmation of the same password. After that, click on Continue Sign Up, following which you'll be taken towards the second step of signing up with Spoutable's Publisher program. There, you need to fill up your first name, last name, and then the company's name, and then add your phone number. Then you need to agree to Spoutable's terms and conditions by clicking on the checkbox below. Once done with that, click Sign Up. Once you're done with your sign up, you'll be prompted to enter your site URL and then add a title to your site, followed by the number of average monthly visitors on your site, and also you would need to add a category to your site. Once done with that, click on Next or the Manage Your Zones button right below. Following this, you'd be taken to the Manage Zones page. Basically in this page, Spoutable lets you customize placements for each zone on your site. You would need to choose which options suit your site best, and Spoutable will optimize your ads based on those parameters. It's recommended to let Spoutable use their machine learning technology to properly optimize the ads for your site. After you're done with that, click on Next or Set up Getting Paid. In this page, you would be required to provide a logo for your website, and add a PayPal email address or even a bank account in order for your payments to go through when the time arrives. Once you're done adding these details, click on Finish and Get Embed Code. Upon doing so, you'd be redirected to the embed code, which you would be required to properly copy and paste on your website. Once you're done copying the ad, click All Done. And voila, you've just signed up with Spoutable and managed to get your first Spoutable ad code to implement on your website. On Spoutable, the average eCPM earned by a publisher is somewhere between 30 cents and 40 cents for worldwide traffic. And if your traffic is coming from mostly tier 1 countries like the USA, UK, Australia and Canada, then the rates obtained can be as high as $3. And if your traffic happens to be mostly from Asian countries, then don't sweat it, because Spoutable works quite well on Asian traffic as well. In order to generate higher revenues using Spoutable, you need to try and mix different zones and see which one works best for you. It can take a couple of days for your eCPM rates to stabilize. Niches related to health, hobbies and entertainment work quite well with Spoutable. And it also has a fill rate of almost 100% in most of the countries. So you don't have to worry about wasting ad spaces when you're using Spoutable for your blog or website. Spoutable is pretty consistent with their payments, and they use only 2 methods of payment: bank transfer and PayPal. They pay their publishers through the NET45 system, where, for example, your earnings from the month of February will be delivered to your bank account or your PayPal account by the 15th of March. So what are you even waiting for? Sign up with Spoutable right now by clicking on the link given above, or you may also go down to the link given in the description below right after finishing this video. So that's all we have for this video, folks. If you find this video useful, then please drop a like, share, and even comment if you have any queries. And to keep yourself tuned into more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to Skill Convo.